Welcome to Camp Creations. I am so thrilled you're joining us for this explainer. Let's just dive right in, shall we? If you're tuning in, you're probably staring down the barrel of some seriously complex academic subjects. But let me tell you right off the bat, you are exactly in the right place. We're going to map out how you can totally conquer O-level STEM without completely losing your mind in the process. So let me ask you a quick question. Have you got stuck on an O-level chemistry, additional maths, elementary maths, or physics question recently? I mean, we've literally all been there. You're grinding through some intense homework or prepping for a massive exam and suddenly, bam, you just hit a brick wall. Your anxiety spikes, the numbers totally stop making sense. It's a completely universal student struggle. But honestly, that's exactly why this explainer exists. I want you to think of Camp Creations as your seasoned guide to the summit of O-level STEM. We're all about perfectly balancing that tough academic rigor with highly accessible guidance. Look, climbing a steep mountain is incredibly hard work, no doubt about it. But with the right guide, you avoid all those hidden pitfalls. We're here to make absolutely sure your academic climb is steady, secure, and ultimately successful. All right, let's talk about the gear, your 4 core subjects. Because, hey, every good climber needs the right equipment, right? You wouldn't try to climb Everest in a pair of old sneakers, and you definitely shouldn't tackle your O-levels without mastering your foundational tools. We're talking elementary mathematics, additional mathematics, chemistry, and physics. These represent the 4 distinct academic mountains we are fully 100% equipped to help you ascend. So what exactly will you find here? Well, we're bringing you targeted, intensive support for those core areas: O-level chemistry, O-level additional mathematics, O-level elementary mathematics, and O-level physics. That is our bread and butter. If your question or your struggle falls into literally any of these 4 subjects, congratulations, you've officially found your base camp. Next up, the methodology. Real questions, real solutions. Here's the thing. We don't just hand out answers or look up the key in the back of a textbook. Where's the value in that? At Camp Creations, I solve real questions submitted by viewers, breaking them down into clear, step-by-step solutions that are actually easy to understand. You bring the specific problems that are keeping you up at night, and together we transform them from these confusing roadblocks into clear, digestible pathways. Whether you're gearing up for your massive O-level examinations or you just need a lifeline for one particularly brutal homework question, this explainer series is here for you. Our goal is to help you learn the concepts behind every solution, not just the final answer, right? Memorizing a solution might get you through today's assignment, sure, but deeply understanding the why, that is the ultimate exam technique and problem-solving strategy. It literally makes you bulletproof against whatever curveballs the examiners decide to throw your way. So let's look at the path to the summit. This journey, from concepts to confidence, it really requires deliberate momentum. You can't just leap straight to the top, as much as we'd all love to. You have to build that strong foundation at the base first, and then let that upward trajectory pull you all the way to absolute exam-ready mastery. Let's really break these 3 steps down, because honestly, this right here is where the magic happens. Step 1, concepts. This is where we grasp the foundational principles of STEM, completely avoiding the crushing anxiety of rote memorization. Step 2, clarity. Once we actually have the concept down, we refine our understanding through structured problem solving and clear, consistent explanations. And finally, step 3, confidence. By stacking concepts and clarity, you achieve exam-ready mastery. Each step sequentially eliminates just a little bit more of that exam anxiety until, boom, you're standing right at the top. Which brings us to start your ascent today. We promise consistent momentum here, with new explainers dropping every single week. So make sure to subscribe and join the Camp Creations community as we tackle O-level questions together, one problem at a time. And hey, if you have a really tough question, just leave it in the comments or submit it through the community posts, and it might actually be featured in an upcoming explainer. I genuinely want to see your toughest problems so we can break them down together. Because at the end of the day, our goal all comes back to our core mantra: concepts, clarity, confidence. Once you master this 3-step process, the anxiety just fades away, and the learning actually becomes incredibly rewarding. It becomes fun. So I'll leave you with this final, empowering thought today. Armed with the right guide and the right tools, what academic peak will you conquer next?